morning, second graders. Welcome to your maths class. So, children, as you know that in previous class we studied about the Indian currency, and we also studied that in Indian currency we have some Indian currency notes as well as some coins. Okay, so we studied about the how we can write the rupees and paise, and we also learned how we add the in paise as well as the rupees. Okay, so in today's class we are going to learn some more facts about the money, that is how you can change the rupees into money and money into rupees. So today we are going to learn about the changes. Okay, changes that means how we can change, or we can say that conversion. Okay, conversion of rupees and paise. Okay, so everyone be ready with your pencil, eraser and textbook. Oh yes, so everyone open your Fusion 2 Sem 2 textbook, page number 149, that is exercise 5C. We are going to complete it. Okay, so everyone be ready and let's learn. So children, today we are going to learn some conversion. Okay, it means how we convert the rupees into paisa, paisa into rupees. So first topic that we are going to learn is it conversion or convert into paise, means you have to convert the rupees into paisa. Okay, now so let's start. So here we have 5 rupees and we have to convert the 5 rupees into paisa. So how you are able to do this conversion? So children, for understanding this, firstly you have to remember that 1 rupees 1. Okay, rupees 1 is equals to 100 paisa. Okay, so this is the key point or a key point that we have to learn. This is very important and this is a fact. Okay, now 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. So how you are able to do this conversion? So children, remember, if 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa, so for this how you can convert? For conversion of rupees into paisa, you have to multiply the rupee with the 100. Okay, so here we have 5 rupees. So when we want to convert 5 rupees, so how we will do the conversion? You have to multiply 5 rupees with 100 paisa. So when you multiply 5 into 100 paisa, it will be 500 paisa. Okay. Okay. So now come to the exercise 5C. Okay. Come to the exercise 5C and C. Question number 1. Convert the rupees into paisa. So how you are able to convert? You have to multiply the rupees with 100. So write down here. So everyone write down here. Rupees 3 into 100. 100. So is equals to how many paisa? It will be 300 paisa. Okay, now rupees 4. So 4 rupees into 100 paisa is equals to 4 into 100. It will be 400 paisa. Okay, now 7 rupees 7. So rupees 7 into 100 paisa is equals to 700 paisa. Okay, so this is the conversion of rupees into paisa. Now mark the homework and complete it by own. Okay, now this is the conversion of from rupees to paisa. Now we have to understand how we can convert the paisa into rupees. Okay, how we can convert the paisa into rupees. So there is a one more conversion. Okay, if it is given that convert rupees 6.75 into paise, so children, rupees 6.75 mean here we have 6 rupees and 75 paise. So we can write it as rupees 6 and 75 paise. Okay, now do the conversion. Rupees 6 means here if we have for convert, here we already have 75 paise na, we already have 75 paise, but 6 rupees in rupees, so we have to convert 6 rupees into paisa. So you know that when you multiply rupees 6 with 100 paisa, and we already have 75 paisa. Okay, so 6 into 100, it will be 600 paisa, 600 paisa, and ki jo, or we can write it as 600 paisa plus 75 paisa. So now add it, 600 paisa plus 75 paisa, 055 077 and 6, so it will be, total will be 675 paise. Okay, you can also understand with some more exercise. Okay, so everyone come to the exercise question number 2, convert into paisa. Okay, so how you are able to convert? See, 400 paisa, we can write it as, when we convert 4 rupees 4, it will be 400 paisa na, then 60 paise, so 400 plus 60, it will be 460 paisa. Now here we have rupees 3, so rupees 3 is equals to how many paisa? When you multiplied it 100 into 3, it will be 300 paisa. Okay, now we already have 25 paisa. So when you add 300 plus 25, 325, so it will be 5, 2, 3. So it will be 325 paise. Okay, now 6 rupees means how many paisa? It will be 600 paisa. When you multiply it with 100, it will be 600 and 90 paisa. So 90 paisa. So 600 plus 90, it will be 690 paisa. Okay, very good. Now mark it as homework and complete it by own. Okay, now the next conversion is we have to convert rupee paise into rupee. Okay, so next conversion, convert paisa into rupees. Okay, so how we can do the conversion? We can understand with one example. Here we have convert 800 paisa into rupees. So how we can convert it? So children, remember, okay, what is our key points? 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. Okay, 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. So what we can do? So children, remember one thing. Okay, when we want to convert paisa into rupees, what we have to do? Here we have 800 paisa. Okay, and we want to convert it. So we can say that if 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa, so 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupees. Okay, 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupees. So if we have 800 paisa, okay, so what you have to do? Simple is that you have to remove 20 from it, from the right side. Okay, from the right side you have to remove 20, so it will be rupees 8. Okay, if you have 400 paisa, remove 20 from the right side, it will be rupees 4. Okay, if we have a 100 paisa, remove 20 from the right side, 1 2, it remaining is equals to rupees 1. Okay, it is very simple. You have to remove from the right side, you have to remove how many zeros? 2 zeros, because 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupees. So when you remove 1020, it will be rupees 1. When you remove 1020, it will be rupees 4. When you remove 1020, it will be rupees 8. Okay, now come to the exercise. Question number 3, convert into rupees. Okay, you have to perform the conversion. Now 400 paise, 400 paise. So when you remove 2 zeros from the right side, 1 2, so it will be rupees 4. Remove when from B 100 paise, when you remove 20 1020, it will be rupees 1. 500, remove 20, it will be rupees 5. 900, remove 20, it will be rupees 9. 600, remove 2 zeros from it, it will be rupees 6. 300 paisa, remove 20, it will be rupees 3. Okay, now next, if here we have paisa, convert into rupees and paisa. Okay, we have to convert it as rupees and paisa. So how we can do it? Okay, so here we have example 950 paisa. We have to convert it into rupees and paisa. So children, how we can do that? So remember everything every time. 950. Okay, so 950, in 950, how many hundreds we have? How many hundreds we have? This is it. See, 950. Okay, so this is the place of units, tens and hundreds. So how many hundreds we have? 900. Na? So we can write it as 900. Now 900, this is our paisa. 900 plus remaining paisa is equals to 50 paisa. Okay, 900 paisa plus 50 paisa. Now you can say that when you have to convert it into rupees now. So 900 paisa, when you convert 900 paisa into rupees, remove 20, it will be rupees 9 and 50 paise. Now in first class we already discussed that how we can write rupees 9 and 50 paisa. So firstly you have to put the dot. On the right side of the dot we have to write paisa, and on the left side of the dot we have to write rupees. So it will be rupees 9.50. Okay, you can also understand with the next example. Okay, if we have 460. Okay, now find out the places. This is the place of unit, tens and hundreds. So how many hundreds we have? 400. Na? So it means 400 paisa plus 60 paisa. Now we have to convert paisa into rupees. Na? So here we have 400 paisa. So 400 paisa is equals to how many rupees? Remove 20. It will be rupees 4. And how many paisa? 60 paisa. How we can write it? Put the decimal. On the right side you have to write the paisa, and the left side you have to write the rupees. So it would be 4.60 rupees. 4.60 rupees. Okay, now come to the exercise. Question number 4. Convert into rupees and paisa. Okay, so children, you have to write it directly. Okay, so 375. So we can say that 375 paisa. So 375 paisa means 300 paisa plus 75 paisa. Na? So 300 paisa is equals to how many rupees? Remove 20, it will be 3 rupees, and 75 paisa. Okay, now B 560 paisa. So you can write it as 500. 500s are there na. 500 paisa plus 60 paisa. Okay, so here when 500 paisa we have, how many rupees will be there? Remove 20, it will be rupees 5 and 60 paisa. Okay, now next one we have to do directly. Okay, 425. So 425 is equals to 400 paisa and 25 paisa. Now convert 400 paisa into rupees. Remove 20, it will be rupees 4 and 25 paisa. Okay, now 880. So 880 will be, how we can write it? We can write it as 800 paisa, because here we have 800 na. So 800 paisa plus 80 paisa. Now convert 800 paisa into rupees. 800, so remove 20, it will be rupees 8 and 80 paisa. Okay, next 785. So you can write it as 700 paisa plus 85 paisa. So when you convert 700 paisa into rupees, it will be rupees 7 and 85 paisa. Okay, now 350. Again you can write it as 350 paisa plus 50 paisa. Now how many rupees? You have to complete it by own. Okay, I am giving the explanation, but you have to complete it by own. Mark it as homework. Now write the rupees and paisa. Now children, come to the page number 150. Okay, 150. So first question, this is a mixed bag. So the question is, write the total value of the following. Okay, so there are some currency notes or coins. You have to add all the values. So 5 plus 1, 6 rupees and 50 paise. So how you can write it? Rupees 6.50 paise. Okay, now next 100 rupees note, 20 rupees note and 10. So 100 plus 20, 20 plus 10, 30. 100 plus 30, it will be rupees 130. Now C and D, mark homework and complete it by own. Okay, now next is convert into paise. So children, how you can convert it into paise? So how here we have rupees and paisa. How we can convert it into paise? So everyone, you had the question number 2 and 3, you have to write it in your notebook. Okay, question number 2 and 3, you have to write it in your notebook. So convert into rupees. How we can convert it? So sorry, this is third question. Second question is convert into paise. Convert into paise. So everyone, be ready. You have to write it in your maths notebook. Okay, so write it there. Okay, now rupees 5. So children, one, you already know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. There is no need to write it. Don't write it. Okay, you have to start from here. Rupees 5 now. So you have to multiply it with rupees 5 into 100. So it will be 500. When you multiply rupees 5 with 100, it will be 500 paise. Okay, now rupees 2.50. We have to complete it into, we have to change it into paise. So children, you can write it. Here we have how many rupees? Here we have rupees 2 and 50 paise, or we can write it as rupees 2 plus 50 paise. So when you multiply rupees 2 with 100, it will be 200 paisa plus 50 paisa. So it will be 250 paisa. Okay, now rupees 3, this is homework. You have to complete it by own. how you can do rupees 3 into 100 is equals to 300 paisa. Okay, so write it. Okay, or let it be, you can write it as rupees 3 into 100, so it will be 300 paisa. Okay, next rupees 7.50. So how you can write it? You can write it as rupees 7 and 50 paisa when you write it in words. So or you can write it as rupees 7 plus 50 paisa. Now rupees 7, when you multiplied it with, for conversion of rupees into 100, you have to multiply it with 100. So rupees 7, when you multiply 7 into 100 paisa plus 50 paisa, so it will be 700 paisa plus 50 paisa, so it will be 750 paisa. Okay. Now next conversion is conversion into rupees. So children, you know that this is very easy for you. You have to remove 20 from the right side. So when you remove 1 2, it will be rupees 7. Next 650. So in 650, how many hundreds we have? 6 na. So 600 paisa. 600 paisa and plus 50 paisa. Okay, so 600, remove 20, it will be rupees 6 plus 50 paisa. So how you can write it? You have to write it by decimal, 6.50. Okay, now next 450 paisa. So how you can write it? You have to, how many hundreds we have? We have 400. So it would be 400 paisa plus 50 paisa. When you convert 400 paisa into rupees, remove 20, so it will be rupees 4 plus 50 paisa. So put the decimal on the right side, you have to write paisa, on left side you have to write rupees. So it will be rupees 4.50. Now 200 paisa, remove 20, so it will be rupees 2. Okay. And this question is also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, write it in your notebook. Now, so children, this is last exercise. Now step ahead. Read. What is the step ahead? Write 3 ways in which you can exchange a rupees note into coins. So we will discuss in our next class how you can do it. Okay, this is actually homework for you, so everyone think about it and plan it how you can exchange the rupees 10 notes for coin, and we will discuss it in the next period. Okay, so everyone complete your work in textbook as well as in your notebook. Bye bye.